Methods for getting pink lips naturally in your own home. Combine rose petals in milk. Rose petals are another among the wonderful natural home remedies for pink lips. To easily soak a couple of rose petals in milk for a short while. What in the event you do next? Next, use the petals towards creating a paste, adjoining a couple of drops of glycerin and honey. Dab the paste in your lips too, then wait just 15 minutes before easily massaging applying milk. This remedy can result in wonderful results. Apply cucumber juice. Another essential method to reduce any darkness in your lips is to use a little bit of cucumber juice. Just slice a cucumber, rubbing it upon your lips, allowing the juices to soak on. Observe that should you choose this for 5 minutes regularly, you are able to lighten dark lips to some beautiful pink color. Massage with fresh lemon juice. Another remedy just needs lemon plus some sugar. To do this, cut a skinny slice in the lemon, sprinkling a little bit of sugar on the top, and rub your lips with this particular combination regularly. This works miraculously because the lemon function for natural whitening your lips, coming again for their light in addition to pink color, although sugar actively works to exfoliate lifeless skin cells. Scrub with toothbrush. In addition, should you desire smooth lips, you should use your toothbrush every night after brushing the teeth. You simply scrub the lips by using it, make certain it's so feet bristled. In addition to this, could get rid of the chapped, dry skin that forms around your lips, which makes them look fresher.